take a tour of my room. I'm at Azul Beach Resorts, Riviera, Maya. I'm staying in room 711, and let's take a look. Just the closet space. And in here is the mini bar area. You can see I have coffee, creamers, tea, water, and then the refrigerator. Everything is complimentary and it is filled daily. So that's the beauty about all-inclusive resorts. Everything is complimentary and filled daily. In this closet, I have some robes for my personal use. What's in here? Storage space and a safe. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, there's a sitting area. You can see a great little couch and some chairs. We're going to take a look at the view in a second. And then over here, there is another little seating area like a dining room. Let's go out and look at the view. At a flat screen TV in the area. Let's see what kind of view I have been given. Oh my goodness. Now I gotta figure out how to open the door. Oh my goodness. Look at this view. Stepping out on my balcony. And this is my view. Just gorgeous. It's my view of the pool. My view of the ocean. I am ocean front, right out on the beach. Now this is where I'm going to have my breakfast. Some chairs out here and a great little lounge. I'm definitely going to be in that. See, people, this is why I say book your vacation based on what you want to experience. Don't take the cheapest room. You need to take a room with a view because it makes all the difference in the world of if you want to wake up to the ocean or if you want to wake up to a parking lot. Okay, let's go back in and we can see the bedroom. Gorgeous bed. And when I arrived, I was able to pick the pillows that I wanted, the scent that I wanted for my room. Beautiful. Okay, let's go back to the front of the room and take a look at the bathroom. Isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful. Walking in, there is a shower. Rain shower. There's the toilet, bathtub, sink area. Let's see what kind of amenities they've given.